You remember I had told you the word for good evening? Do you remember I had told you what is good evening in French? I had told you, do you remember anyone? What is good evening in French? It is bonsoir. It is bonsoir.
Good evening, ma'am.
We have sent in the chat. It is bonsoir. Good evening. Bonsoir. We will. So when you meet me, you can say me bonsoir. Okay? Bonsoir.
Swar.
Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Okay.
Bonsoir.
Now, can you tell me what did we do last time? Do you remember what did we do last time? Do you remember?
Yes, I have remembered.
What? Tell me.
You tell A, B, C, D.
Very good. A, B, C, D. All right. So, Shashank, do you remember? Can you tell? Can you read out the ABCD in French? Shashank?
I don't, ma'am.
You don't remember? Then Oshru and Ayushi, can you?
No,
Oshru
ma'am.
and Ayushi? Okay, wait. I will share the document and we will practice once again. Okay?
No, ma'am.
Okay. It's okay. I'll just share the document that I had shared with you last time and we will practice. Okay, so here I share the screen. Yes. Repeat after me. A. Everyone, repeat after me. A. B.
B.
C. D. A. F.
What?
F.
F.
All others, are you repeating? Are you muted and you're repeating? Thumbs up if you're doing so. Thumbs up if you're doing so, if you're repeating after me. Thumbs up. Okay. So, we had learned ABCD, we are revising it. A, once again. A. A. C. A. A. F. Do you remember I told you G is J and J is G?
Yes.
So, we pronounce it as J. Then H is always silent. So, we pronounce H as Ash. E. G. K. L. M. N. O. P. Que. R. S. Then T.
they,
you,
you,
you, you,
you,
you, e and you, you,
e, you, you,
you, we,
I have said you,
you, then we,
we,
W,
W,
X,
मैम थोड़ा सा ऊपर करिएगा क्या मैम, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा।
okay, Y, Y, Z,
Z,
okay,
Z,
correct,
yes.
okay, so, who can read it out? Arav, can you? Arav, can you read out all the alphabets?
What?
Can you read out all the alphabets in French? Hmm. A. I should hear everyone now. Please unmute. Unmute.
Yeah.
Unmute. Okay, so now repeat after me. A. B. C. D. O. 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 F. Ash. E. No, we are still on J. G. No, Ka. Ka. Repeat. Ka. L. M. N. A.
देखो क्या किए, क्या बोल रहा है, मैं नहीं बोला, तुमने
Stop writing.
ये बोल रहा है।
Okay. Que.
हाँ बोला नहीं मैं
Repeat everyone. Que. Then R. S.
आवाज भागने वाली
S. A. Que. U. U. V. W.
जो बोला
X.
मैम सॉरी
Y.
सॉरी बोल रही है तुम ही तो बोल मैं अभी बोल रही
Okay. All right. Now, do you remember? I had also taught you how to say the name. Who remembers how to tell name in French? Who remembers how to tell name in French? Catlina, Catlina. Catlina, do you remember how to tell your name in French? How to tell your name in French, Catlina, do you remember?
No.
No, Catlina. Okay, then Samrat and Supriyo, do you remember?
Yeah.
Supriyo
No.
and Samrat? Okay. All right, never mind.
No.
We will read it again.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, I know. I know.
Who knows?
I know.
Arav, answer. Tell me, how do you tell your name in French?
Name in French. I don't know name in French.
Then who said right now, I know? Somebody said, I know, right?
Somrat said.
Okay. Samrat said. Samrat, tell me, how do you tell your name? Samrat.
I don't know, madam.
Very good. Okay, no problem. So, remember when I had
I know.
class, I told you, je m'appelle Priyanka. Je m'appelle Priyanka. Okay. So, what is je? What did I say? Now, did you understand how to tell the name? Je m'appelle Priyanka. So, it is. How do you say your name? Je m'appelle. Just see. What is written? Je m'appelle Priyanka. Je m'appelle means my name is. And then, Kamod, what is how to ask someone name? How do we ask someone's name? It is Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? How to ask someone's name? Repeat after me. Comment tu t'appelles? Very good. Now, what are we going to do? We all are going to talk. Okay, we all are going to ask what is your name. Okay, so now I am asking Arav. Arav, comment tu t'appelles? Arav, tell me your name. Arav, tell me your name in French.
What?
Arav,
Comment tu t'appelles?
no, this is what I have asked you. You will say Je m'appelle Arav.
Je m'appelle Arav.
Okay. Then, now Arav, you will ask Catlina. Comment tu t'appelles? You will ask her name. Arav.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Catlina, answer.
Okay.
Catlina, comment tu t'appelles? Catlina, unmute, answer. Je. Je m'appelle.
Catlina.
Okay, je m'appelle Catlina. Very good. Then, Catlina, now you will ask the question to Samrat. Samrat, Catlina, ask him, comment tu t'appelles? Catlina, comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? Okay, Samrat.
Yeah.
Yes, Samrat. Answer. What is your answer?
What?
Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle. Samrat.
Apple.
Je m'appelle.
Drum apple.
Je m'appelle Samrat.
Drum apple.
Samrat. Je m'appelle Samrat. Okay.
Samrat.
Yes. Now, Samrat, you will ask Supriyo. Okay. Ask comment tu t'appelles?
Yeah.
Samrat. You will ask Supriyo. Comment tu t'appelles?
What? Comment tu t'appelles?
Yes. So Supriyo, what will be your answer? Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
And tell your name.
Supriyo.
Superb. Bravo. Very good. Okay. Now Supriyo, you will ask this question to Oshru. Oshru?
Usru.
Yes. Now Supriyo, ask him. Comment tu t'appelles?
Couple.
Comment tu t'appelles? Supriyo, comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Very good. Oshru, answer. Oshru. Oshru.
हाँ मैम.
Answer. Je m'appelle.
Comment tu t'appelles?
No, you have to tell. Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Oshru.
Usru.
Very good. Now, Oshru, you will ask Shashank. Yes, Oshru.
Comment tu t'appelles?
Very good. Comment tu t'appelles? Shashank, answer. Shashank. Je m'appelle. Then, what is your name? You will tell that. Je m'appelle.
My name is Dankraj.
Je m'appelle Shashank.
Je m'appelle Shashank.
Very good. Now, Shashank, you will ask Ayushi. Yes, Shashank. What is the question?
Comment tu t'appelles?
Bravo, superb.
What, ma'am?
Yes. Ayushi, answer.
Yes, ma'am. Cafe to apple. Cafe to apple.
Ayushi, answer. Je m'appelle.
Ayushi.
Sentence. I want to hear the sentence. Je m'appelle.
Cafe to apple. Cafe to
Je
apple. Cafe to
m'appelle
apple.
Ayushi. Je m'appelle Ayushi.
Apple Ayushi.
Okay, très bien. Now, Ayushi, you will ask Abhinav. What is the question? Comment? Abhinav left? No, Abhinav is there. Yes, Ayushi, comment?
Comment tu appelles?
T'appelles. Comment tu t'appelles? T'appelles. Comment tu t'appelles? Abhinav, answer.
Comment tu appelles? Comment tu appelles?
Yeah, this is the question. Abhinav, she has posed you a question. Abhinav, answer. Abhinav, unmute yourself. Abhinav, yes, there. No, he left. Okay, Anveshi, answer. Anveshi,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. Comment tu t'appelles?
Je m'appelle Anveshi.
Super. Okay. All right. Very good. Now you all know how to ask name and how to tell name. Yes. Thumbs up. You know. Very good. Okay. Now I just want you to note down this. Write down so that you can have handy. If you forget, you will remember on reading this. Okay. Just write down these two lines. Je m'appelle and comment tu t'appelles. Write down. Quickly, I'll give you 1 minute time. Quick.
No, ma'am. क्या लिखना है?
लो इसमें लिखो
क्या लिखना है मैम?
I have to write this Jamapel and Kamuthitapel. See, I have highlighted it.
Okay. Ma'am, I have written.
Okay, very good. Okay. So, all of you are done?
No.
Okay, I'll give you last 30 seconds. Quickly write down. One person.
Where is ma'am?
Might have disconnected.
Where is the ma'am?
She will join.
Okay.
The same graph.
is connected.
मैम कहाँ है मैम?
ओके
मैम आ रही है शशांक सर।
आई
ओके
बस तुम्हारी बड़ी बहन नहीं है। Sir, are you there?
आरव भैया
No, sir is not.
Where is teacher? Where is teacher?
Ma'am will be back in a while.
आरव भैया सी
Ma'am will be back.
वेरी मैजिकल ना आरव भैया. ha.
Vishal sir is there, Kathleen.
Yes, Charlie. No. Vishal. आरव भैया. विशाल. आरव भैया.
मेरे पास आपका भाई कॉल किया था मैं।
चलिए बात करते हैं।
आरव भैया.
लाइए बात करते हैं।
आरव भैया. आरव भैया.
क्लास ओवर हुआ तुम्हारा?
आरव भैया.
Hello, please wait. Ma'am is coming. Please wait.
Arav, comma to the bell. Shashank, comma to the bell.
What? I
Please wait, everyone. Ma'am is joining.
Ma'am is here.
Okay. Sorry, I got disconnected. Tell me, have you written?
Yes, ma'am, we have written.
Very good. Now, after that, we had learned one more question. What is this question? Does anyone remember?
Ma'am, what is kama kawa?
Kamosawa. It means how are you? Okay. Kamosawa means
Okay.
how are you? Okay, how are you? Now, repeat after me, everyone. Kamosawa. Kamosawa.
Kama kawa.
Now, we had learned. See, there is a thumbs up. So, what does thumbs up mean? His face is happy. So, he means he is fine. Okay, he's fine. He's happy. So, how do we say that I'm fine? Ça va bien, merci. Okay, ça va bien, merci. Ça va bien, merci. Repeat after me, everyone. Ça va bien, merci. Okay? Okay? Then, now, the second hand, the thumb is like this. And he doesn't appear to be good or bad. Nothing. So, he's okay. He's okay. So, when you're neither happy nor sad, you're neither good or nor bad, you're okay. How do you say that? Comme si, comme ça. Repeat. Comme si, comme ça. Comme si, comme ça. Okay, kamsi, kamsa. That means neither happy nor sad. And see the last one, the hand is down, thumbs down. That means not good. Okay, it's not good. So how do you say I'm not good? Sava mal. It is sava mal. Okay, sava mal. Sava mal. Okay. So when you want to say I'm fine, thank you, you say ça va bien, merci. When you want to say I'm okay, you will say comme si, comme ça. When you're not happy, you will say ça va mal. Okay. And how do you ask how are you? It's como ça va. Okay. Como ça va. Clear? Now let's ask this question. I will ask this question to Ayushi. Ayushi, ¿cómo ça va? Ayushi?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ça va? Tell me, you're fine, you're okay, you're not okay. How will you say? What do you want to say first? Tell me that.
मैम मुझे समझ नहीं आ रही है।
मैम मुझको समझ नहीं आ रहा है।
Okay, आप क्या कहना चाहते हो? आप ठीक हो?
हाँ
आप ये कहना चाहते हो? तो आप ये पहली चीज बोलोगे, ça va bien, merci.
अरे ये माने मैं खूब रेगे अच्छा और এইটা মানে मैं खूब ठीक हूँ।
Ça va bien, merci. बोलो ça va bien, merci.
बोलो
साबा
बिया
Bien,
बिया
merci.
मेसी।
Okay, very good. ठीक है, तो we will now continue in the next class. Okay, so don't forget, today you have learned the alphabets and also you have learned how to tell your name and how to ask someone's name. Okay, ठीक है?
Kama Sava.
This we will now continue in the next class. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. So I'll say you au revoir. Goodbye.